So let us practice this question. You people open notepad in front of you. Offline class. So we are to practice the question from the sample paper. Okay. All right. These are the tables. You please cover the front seats. You can open notepad anywhere. Cover the front seats. We have two tables here, customer and transaction. Okay. Customer and transaction tables are there. And our first query for which we have to give the output, that is select maximum balance, minimum balance from customer where gender equal to male. Where gender equal to male, you are to find the maximum balance and minimum balance. Yes, please try offline class. Maximum balance in the male and minimum balance in the male. Maximum कितना हो गया? 15,000. And minimum 12,500. Okay. Number 2. Select some amount type from transaction. Group by type. टाइप के बेस पे हर टाइप में जो अमाउंट है उसका सम करना। हर टाइप की जो अमाउंट है उसका टोटल। टाइप 2 है डेबिट और एक है क्रेडिट। डेबिट का टोटल सम, टोटल सम का अमाउंट का टोटल। मान लो डेबिट 2 बारी है 1000 1500, तो सम क्या होगा 2500। अब यहाँ पे डेबिट एक ही बार है तो वही अपने आप में सम है, दैट इज 1000। क्रेडिट 3500। वेरी गुड। ऑलराइट, थर्ड। अब यहाँ जॉइंट्स लगा हुआ है, अब मल्टीपल जॉइन है। सिलेक्ट नेम, टी डेट, नेम ये वाला, टी डेट, अमाउंट फ्रॉम कस्टमर सी, ट्रांजैक्शन टी, वेयर अकाउंट नंबर इज कॉमन इन बोथ द फील्ड एंड टाइप इक्वल टू क्रेडिट। बताइए, पहले तो देखो अकाउंट नंबर सेम करो, C1 C1, तो उसमें क्या हो गया? C1 का नेम क्या है? ऋषभ। अच्छा, वी वांट फॉर क्रेडिट है ना, वी वांट फॉर क्रेडिट। क्रेडिट का एंट्री ये रहा C5। C5 इज अंकिता। अंकिता इज द नेम। ट्रांजैक्शन डेट C5 की 2019 12/31 and amount is 1500. Very good. Okay, next is credit C3। C3 का नेम क्या है? इंदिरा। ट्रांजैक्शन डेट ऑफ C3 2020/01/01 and amount is 2000. Amount is 2000. Clear? Offline class, online class clear to you? Bhavneet, Nandini, Gaurav. Bhavneet, Nandini, Gaurav, am I clear? Okay. this question is finished. Okay, this we have done. Stack question we have discussed in the last class. Okay, so I proceed to this networking question. Yeah, networking question को देखो. Okay. It's visible now. All right, I give you 2 minutes. All of you go through the networking comprehension. A school library is connecting computers in its units in a LAN. The library has 3 units as shown in the diagram. Okay. Circulation unit, teacher unit, student unit. Teacher unit for accessing the library books by teachers. Student unit for accessing of library books by students. And circulation unit for issue and return of books for teachers and students. Center to center distances. Circulation to teachers 20, circulation to student 30, teachers to student 10 meters. Okay. Number of computers in each building. Circulation में 15, teachers में 10, students में 10. Okay. So let us start the comprehension. First answer. Suggest the most suitable place to install the server. Why? Yes, very good. Circulation unit as it has maximum number of computers. Okay. All right. Number 2. Suggest an ideal layout for connecting these units for a wired activity. देखो, cable layout बनाना. The way I told you earlier, where there are maximum computers, give connection from there to other blocks. अब यहाँ पे सर्कुलेशन यूनिट के अंदर ज्यादा कंप्यूटर्स हैं, सर्वर यहाँ पे प्लेस है. सो सर्कुलेशन यूनिट से टीचर यूनिट और स्टूडेंट यूनिट इनको कनेक्शन दे दो. कहने का मतलब ये है, आई एम ड्राइंग ऑन द ब्लैक बोर्ड हियर. दिस इज योर सर्कुलेशन यूनिट, दिस इज योर टीचर यूनिट, दिस इज योर स्टूडेंट यूनिट, like this. Where the server is, give connection from that block to the other blocks. ठीक है? Online class, am I clear? It will be triangular in shape. Circular से teacher की ओर, see the movement of the mouse. Circulation से teacher unit, then circulation to student unit. इस तरह से. Can you see the mouse movement? Bhavneet, Nandini, Gaurav, is the mouse movement clear? See the direction I am drawing the line. One line from here to here, one line from here to here. Okay. Which device will you suggest to be installed and where it will be placed to provide internet connectivity to all units? हम घर में जब इंटरनेट लगवाते हैं, आईएसपी वाले क्या रख के जाते हैं? मॉडेम और राउटर. मॉडेम और राउटर. ओके. वेयर इट विल बी प्लेस्ड? सर्कुलेशन यूनिट. वेरी राइट. ओके. This is fourth question now. Suggest the type of most efficient and economical wired medium for connecting all computers in the network. Two conditions are there. One, it should be wired. Second, should be economical. Twisted pair तो हो ही नहीं सकता क्योंकि वो लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस कवर नहीं करता. आंसर रह गया कोएक्सियल केबल और ऑप्टिकल फाइबर. अब ऑप्टिकल नहीं, ऑप्टिकल कॉस्टली है, हमें उसने कहा इकोनॉमिकल, सो आवर आंसर इज okay. The university is planning to connect the library with the school principal computer in his office. हाँ ठीक है, लाइब्रेरी के कंप्यूटर्स को प्रिंसिपल के ऑफिस के कंप्यूटर से कनेक्ट करना है, डिस्टेंस सारा 50 मीटर का है. इज इट लैंड, मैन और वैन? मैन, मैन कैसे? लैंड, इट इज लैंड. डिस्टेंस कवर्ड इज 50 meters, it is land, as distance covered is 50 meters. Okay, all right, so this was our comprehension. Okay, all right. अब ये क्या है, क्वेश्चन रिपीट हो गया? अच्छा, ये ट्रांजैक्शंस वाला क्वेश्चन आ गया. Now again two tables are given, the same tables, and we are to make the SQL queries. We are to create the SQL queries. So 39th question. Okay, to display all information about customers whose name starts with A. अपने अपने नोटपैड पे क्वेरी बनाओ, ऑफलाइन स्टूडेंट्स. I give you 1 minute. All the offline students, you make query on your notepad. Online class, you also write query in your notebooks and then raise your thumb. I'll unmute you. टेबल का नाम है कस्टमर. कस्टमर, कस्टमर. Don't press the key so hard, class. Done. Okay, what is the command? Yes, Mandeep, you discuss. Select star from customer. Yes, A%. Where where name like A%. Select star from customer where name like A%. All right. B. To display the name and balance of female customers whose transaction date is in the year 2019. पहली बात तो ये, examiner is saying name and balance. So let us write name and balance. Right? Then the gender should be female. Okay. Name and balance so we got from customer table. Class C here. Transaction joins wali hai. Name and balance we will get from this table. Transaction date we have to take transaction table. Again we have to see the gender. Gender again in the table customer. So we have to take two table names. From customer, comma, transaction, where gender equal to female, where gender equal to female, okay, and transaction date in the year का है ना, in the year, transaction date is in the year 2000. transaction date more than equal to 2019 01 January 01 date, and transaction date less than equal to 2019 December 31st. Okay, and customer dot account number is equal to transaction dot account number. अच्छा, एक और चीज कर सकते हो, you can create alias over here. Okay, I have a question here. What is C and T? What is C and T here? Short name for the table, alias. Short name means alias. Alias for the table. Okay, you don't want to write the table name, you can use the short word. Online class, is the role clear of C and T? These are the short name for your table, alias. Okay, तो यहाँ पे आप ये लिख सकते हो, ये देखो इधर, instead of customer you can write C and transaction की जगह T. ठीक है, clear? Is there other way to make this command? Is there any other way to make this command? What? Yes. Select name, comma balance from customer C, transaction T, where gender equal to female and T date like 2019% and C dot account number equal to T dot account number. Clear to all? Okay. एक थर्ड वे भी है, between लगा. Clear? Very good. All right. To display total number of customers for each gender. हर जेंडर में टोटल कितने मेल, टोटल कितने फीमेल. Group by, but obvious group by. This is C command. Select count bracket star comma gender from customer group by gender. अच्छा, एक चीज मैं बता दूं आपकी नॉलेज के लिए, अगर कंडीशन आ जाए जैसे उन जेंडर्स की अकरेंस काउंट करो जिनकी अकरेंस एक से ज्यादा है, ग्रुप बाय जेंडर हैविंग count star more than 1. Whenever you are using group by, always it will be having clause. One is where clause, one is having clause. What is the difference? Where clause is used for individual records. Having clause is used for the entire group. Moreover, aggregate functions are handled by having clause, not by where clause. Okay, two strong differences between where clause, having clause. Okay, name any three clauses in SQL. Where, having, order by, group by. ठीक है, आपको कमांड के यूज आने चाहिए. We can give difference question between any two commands. I have sent e-notes to you for all the commands. मैंने सारी कमांड्स का पीडीएफ भेजा हुआ है आपको. ठीक है, आप उसके प्रिंट आउट निकलवा लो, वो बार बार जूम करके पढ़ोगे, इट विल नॉट बी गुड. ओके, टू डिस्प्ले कस्टमर नेम एंड बैलेंस इन असेंडिंग ऑर्डर ऑफ जेंडर. अब ये तो आपको आना चाहिए. in ascending order of gender. Select name, comma, balance from customer. Yes, order by gender. Very good. Too good. Too nice. Let me see how many are sitting online. Bhavneet, Nandini, Gaurav. As your name is announced, raise your thumb for attendance. Bhavneet, Nandini, Gaurav, okay. Vanshika, Mohit, Varun Chauhan, Anmol. Varun नहीं होगा देखो. Varun होगा ही, I'm sure. I'm 100% sure he will not be here. देख लो. चलो मर्जी अगले की. क्या कभी? We can't force anyone, ना. Tanisha, Daman, Akriti, Sanvinder. Give your feedback, all of you. Daman is not here. Yeah, Daman is here. Jasdev, Jatin, Shailza, Ruchika. Jasdev is there, Jatin is there, Shailza is there, Ruchika is there. Okay. Fine. Okay. To display customer name and their respective interest for all customers, where interest is calculated as 8% of balance. Interest नाम का कॉलम नहीं है, आपको कैलकुलेट करके क्रिएट करना. First you are to calculate, then you are to create, and what name to be given to the column? Interest. After doing calculations, you'll get some values. You want to make a column of those values. That is interest. Okay. Select. What is the field for customer name? Name. Only name. Select name, comma, 0.08 into balance as what is the role of as keyword? To provide a new name to the column. To provide a new name to the column from customer. सबके लिए है कंडीशन दी हुई कोई? For all customers. Yeah. Okay. Semicolon. यही आएगा 0.08 into balance. Right? All. Okay. This is file handling. This is file handling. So successfully we have discussed one full paper, one more full paper. Term 2 CBSE paper we have discussed. This was additional paper which I discussed completely. So now I think there is no question of doubt left. Now I would like to discuss some more comprehensions with you. Okay. Right. चलो इसी का डिस्कस करते हैं. Yeah. Networking was same in C++ and Python, so there is no hard and fast rule. Okay, we can discuss there also. Yeah, MySQL and networking was same in C++ and Python. Okay, so we can discuss these questions. Okay, let us discuss. I give you 1 minute. Go through the question and please note down in your notebooks also, or you can type on your notepad. Online class PDF is clear. बच्चे PDF विजिबल है? भवनीत 2 बार नाम लो, फिर भवनीत अपना हैंड रेज करते हैं. इंपॉर्टेंस गेन करता है अपने लिए. All right. Observe the table food. and answer the questions that follow. Oh, my favorite table. वाह, डोसा, बर्गर, बड़ा पाव, चाउमीन, छोले भटूरे, सरसों का साग, मक्की की रोटी। वाह वाह वाह, मक्की की रोटी वाई राजस्थान, शुड बी इन पंजाब। चलो एनी हाउ, हमें तो टेबल से मतलब है। ओके, व्हाट इज द डिग्री एंड द कार्डिनैलिटी? लेट मी ओपन नोटपैड। डिग्री 7, अभी भी गलतियां हो रही हैं। डिग्री 4, कार्डिनैलिटी 7। Which attribute out of average price, F name, F number, origin is ideal for primary key and why? एकदम से आंसर नहीं बोलते, सारी पॉसिबिलिटीज प्रोबेबिलिटीज चेक करके बोलते। पहले एवरेज प्राइस में जाओ, 75 रिपीट हो रहा है, 100 रिपीट हो रहा है, 45 70 रिपीट हो रहा है। रिपीट हो गया, प्राइमरी की नहीं हो सकती। आगे आ जाओ, एफ नेम नहीं हो रहा, एफ नेम भी हो सकता है। एफ नंबर 1 3 4 9 50, हाँ एफ नंबर। origin can't be there, okay, but most appropriate is F number. दोनों लिख दो, नो प्रॉब्लम, नीचे अलग से नोट दे दो ना, मोस्ट अप्रोप्रिएट इज एफ नंबर बिकॉज, ठीक है। अब वाई, रीजन वाई, नो डुप्लीकेट वैल्यूज, नो नल वैल्यू, ओके, ऑल राइट, क्वेश्चन फिनिश, ओके। SQL queries for 1 to 4, table is long.